Chicago area nurses say they are planning to unionize to fight cutbacks in health care brought about by big corporations. Today, they rallied with the Teamsters in Evanston. Charlie Wojiechowski talked to some of those nurses about their biggest concerns. Charlie.
Well, Mary and Endeavor nurses say they have seen staff and salary cutbacks in recent months, and now they say some of their group have been targeted for trying to organize a union. A raucous chant this morning outside the Evanston headquarters of Endeavor Health, as some nurses employed at the company's 9 Chicago area hospitals rallied with the Teamsters, demanding better pay and higher staffing levels.
We have nurses that have stayed here 40 years. Now you come in every shift and you're so short-staffed that we're terrified for our licenses.
The Teamsters say they're trying to organize more than 3,000 Endeavor nurses.
More and more healthcare systems and hospitals are cutting back on patient care. They're cutting back on staffing, and they're cutting back on compensation for nurses who are the ones that are there when we need them the most.
The nurses say they're also fighting what they say are the company's efforts to keep them from organizing. In particular, the Teamsters say they want Endeavor to reinstate 2 nurses who they say were fired because of their union activity.
They fired 2 of my colleagues, 2 of my ICU nurses, my babies that I've helped train. They're phenomenal nurses, never received any discipline. They're very active in committees, and they fired them for bringing documentation and Nurses Week gifts up to other nurses.
The Teamsters tried to deliver a list of their demands to Endeavor CEO J.P. Gallagher, but were not allowed into the building.
We're here with his employees who are demanding that you respect their legal right to organize and reinstate the illegally fired nurses at Evanston Hospital.
We always respect our employees' rights.
We reached out to Endeavor for a comment, but have not heard back. In the past, they have said Endeavor Health has and will continue to respect the federally protected rights of our nurses to make an informed choice about union representation. In addition to Endeavor, the Teamsters are also pushing for a new contract at the University of Chicago after winning ratification for nurses and a contract at Rush in January. In Evanston, I was Charlie Wojiechowski. Now back to you.